Well, sticking to this same news, we are getting another breaking input on that. Now, Delhi police sources have suggested that they have also asked 17 more people to join the probe today in connection with Union Home Minister Amit Shah's doctored video being circulated on social media. So these are the latest inputs we are tracking at the moment, where Delhi police sources have suggested that they have asked 17 more people to join the probe today in connection with Union Home Minister Amit Shah's doctored video being circulated on social media. Well, there is a huge political face-off that has erupted over Shah's deepfake video that continues to escalate at this point of time, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has come down on stage and slammed Telangana Chief Minister for sharing the fake videos. JP Nadda, BJP's chief, has also slammed Telangana Chief Minister, suggesting and levelling allegations that suggest that the Congress is so frustrated that they are resorting to fake videos being circulated in the political arena. Now, they have also suggested and further added that the investigation says that the video was uploaded on social media platforms through the phone of Telangana Chief Minister. This is a huge allegation coming in from BJP. Now, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Arunima. A very good morning, Arunima. What more details do we have on this entire controversy unfolding? One, and second, 17 people have been summoned by the Delhi police. How are we looking at the entire controversy unfolding, especially with the probe now in?
Yes, so Delhi police have sent more notices. 12 more people were asked to join investigation. Revant Reddy, who is the Chief Minister of Telangana, he is one of those top names in the Delhi police's list. But what the Delhi Police Special Cell is clarifying is that he is not being asked to join the probe as Chief Minister of Telangana, but because he is also heading the Congress Party state unit in that particular state. And this allegedly edited video was put out by the Congress unit itself. Not just that, not just Delhi police, there are actions being taken in other states also. Assam carried out the first arrest. That there is probe that is being initiated by police in Rajasthan, in Maharashtra. Notice has been sent by Delhi police to the Jharkhand unit of Congress as well, because their social media handle also put out the same edited video of Home Minister Amit Shah. Essentially, what all these people, all these 17 people, most of them office bearers of the Congress party, what they have been asked to come and explain is, how did the video originate? They've been asked to come with their digital devices, the mobile phones, the tablets, the laptops that they were using at that point, so that Delhi police can probe and find out what was the origin of the video, who really is responsible for creating the original fake video where Home Minister's speech was edited, and it was edited in a way that gave a sense, a fake sense, that he was wanting to tinker with reservation for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other than backward classes. So who edited it? Where did it originate? That's the point of focus for Delhi Police's probe at the moment.
Right, Arunima, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast, as Payal is also joining us on the broadcast. A very good morning, Payal. Payal, help us understand, how has the Congress responded to the allegations made by BJP regarding the video's origin and specifically dissemination, because this is a huge claim against Telangana Chief Minister?
Well, like Arunima was pointing out, Kuhina, this is not an allegation which has been made against the Telangana Chief Minister. This is an allegation which has been made against the state president of the Congress unit of Telangana, because remember, from the official handle itself, the Telangana, Congress party had in fact shared that doctored video and then deleted it at some stage as well. But obviously the imprint always stays on digital media, and that's the reason you've seen a backlash really coming their way, because Delhi police has swung into action. They've gone ahead and issued notices to several people. Notices have been issued in several states, because the BJP essentially feels that this is a desperate Congress party which is trying to garner votes, which is trying to garner support, because they know they have nothing on ground, and this is actually a bid to actually divide society. So that's what the Union Home Minister himself said yesterday. That's what JP Nadda, the party president, has said yesterday, and also IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also has spoken on the same lines, saying that the Congress party is feeling so desperate. They are trying to create a divide among society. And remember, when somebody talks about tinkering with the reservation policy, it could have consequences which could be beyond law and order situation. So that's something, of course, which the BJP has said could have been created had the police not acted on time and had the victim not been seen on time. So obviously action will follow and nobody will be spared, because already more than 100 posts, rather more than 100 accounts have been blocked on X and of course several social media platforms. Also, you've seen that they've taken off these posts, they've taken down these posts. Indeed. And action has been taken according to the IT rules of the country.
Right, Payal, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming back to the story as the day progresses and we get more reactions.